Julian from Digital Trends, and we're here at Mobile World Congress with Ubuntu. This is the BQ, the world's first Ubuntu-powered tablet. And let's take a look at it first. It's pretty thin, as you can see. We've got the BQ logo on the back with the camera, and there's a front-facing camera as well. There is a button, but right now it doesn't do anything, but Ubuntu says you can sort of you'll be able to choose what action you want the button to do. Apart from that, it's running a basic Ubuntu, the basic Ubuntu OS, the tablet version, where you can see swiping to the right here on the side is the start menu, and then sort of you can move between different home screens, sort of, as if you will, and you can see there's the app drawer sort of here, and nearby is a feature with scopes, which is a new feature that they announced, where you can sort of aggregate, say if I'm bored, I press that and then it'll sort of update with things to do in the area, or if I click I'm hungry, the same thing will happen, except it'll offer me places to go eat, and you can see it updating at the bottom there. Apart from that, you can swipe to different apps that you're using on the right side, and the notification tray works as though if you click on a specific action like Bluetooth, you can go directly into the settings, and if you wanted to switch between them, you can do notifications, displays, files, location, or you can simply just, pull it down and go to each one. And from the bottom, you basically can manage your start screen, sort of move apps to the second page or the first page if you want. And and here you can see Ubuntu as a sort of workstation setup to showcase off the possibilities with desktop mode, which you simply have to enable by going to displays and hitting desktop. And Ubuntu says that it'll also be triggered if you turn on the Bluetooth mouse. It'll sort of switch into desktop mode automatically. So now this is in desktop mode, so we can use the mouse to sort of be more productive. Close that and you can see all the different apps and screens. There's a lot here. And at any time you can simply switch back to tablet mode if you like, and you'll have all the apps still there. So you can switch back to, go back to the display, hit desktop mode, and you'll still see it. Well, let's go back to displays, turn that off, and there you go. And you can still go through the same exact apps that are all open. But what's cool is that this tablet also has an Hdmi port there that you can connect to a display, which will enable Convergence, Ubuntu's sort of Microsoft Continuum-like feature that basically projects what you see here onto a bigger display, like a monitor, so that you can sort of, the same would apply to smartphones that have that capability. Basically, you just plug it into a display port, and you can basically work on a computer screen, a monitor screen, a bigger monitor screen, to be more productive. And the tablet has a MediaTek processor. It's a 10-inch size, and it has 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. So yeah, that's the BQ M10.